We're giving you a live look right now at the Capitol in D.C. tonight, where a group of cancer survivors are fighting to prevent proposed budget cuts to medical research. 2 Once Know's Ben Briscoe talked with a survivor from Winston-Salem who made the trip to the halls of Congress.
17 people from North Carolina are in D.C. armed with fact sheets and statistics, but their strongest arguments are their stories.
I was actually diagnosed with brain cancer.
Over Zoom from his hotel room near the Capitol, Ethan Davis from Winston-Salem shared how he went through chemo, radiation, all the side effects you've heard about, and some you can't even imagine.
It was the worst year of my life by far. It really didn't feel like much of living.
Then a miracle of modern science. A new genetic test let researchers find the drug that would work for him.
I mean, it was really night and day difference.
That's why Ethan is now in Washington, asking lawmakers like Representative Addison McDowell to protect funding for medical research at the National Institutes of Health. The White House is proposing a 37% cut to the agency.
I hope that they can see the human perspective, and that people will live from us giving our money and our dollars and our time to these types of research.
Cancer researchers are there too, defending funding for potential breakthroughs being tested right now.
We had 11 out of 12 patients with full remission after one treatment. If that is cut all of a sudden or not allowed to continue, then these are clinical trials that will suddenly be halted. Doesn't matter how promising the results will be.
And the most important part of what we do is sharing our story and telling them, I am a survivor and I have been through this and my life has been impacted by this research and this much funding.
In Washington, cancer survivors fighting cancer again. This time not for themselves, but for the ones who need tomorrow's breakthrough. We reached out to the White House for comment, but haven't heard back yet. However, someone from Congressman Addison McDowell's office did write us. Survivors like Ethan remind us why investing in medical research is crucial and that innovation is about more than policy. It's about saving lives and giving families hope. And his office says McDowell is a co-sponsor of the Nancy Gardner Swell Medicare Multi-Cancer Early Detection Screening Coverage Act. It allows Medicare coverage for patients for multi-cancer early detection screening tests. By the way, some of these research projects, they're happening right here in our backyard. The Triad actually gets more than $147 million in funding from the National Institutes of Health. Congress has until the end of the month to decide about the future of that funding.